Namaskar, this sessions we going to see that notice writing for grade 10 board exams, central board exams, course B, Hindi, grammar part, written part. What is the notice writings? Notice writing is the formal announcement to inform the large group of peoples in the particular event or instructions or the important informations again about that one event. It's typically displayed on the notice board in a school's office or the public places. So a well written the notice have that one specific format, one style of format. So what is the format? You understand, then you can easily write it. So the format. So this sessions we explain the format. What are the format included, and then how to follow the format to write that one perfect notice writings. Okay. So you watch that full videos. So first one says that the name of the organization. So for what organizations you give this notice. So first you have to write the title is that name of the organization. So don't be worried. This name of the organization also given in these questions. Okay. So first one is the name of the organizations. Second one is you should give that it is a notice. So Suchna. Second lines. First lines you write that name of the organizations. Then second lines you write that it is the notice. It going to notice it. So you write the titles notice, Suchna. Then you write the clear titles. What the notice going to describe it. So that is the titles that also you can get from the question itself. What are informations? So that's also I mentioned. How do we find the titles? And the date. Date is that what date you going to give that notice. That is a notice date. Announcement date. Okay. So there we have to mention the two dates. So first date here, the titles and the date is that what date you notice it. You going to give the informations. So that date here. And then you come to that body of the notice. Cover the information. What are the information you going to give it? So this body of the information should cover the answer of the questions. Note it. Who, where, when, why, and how. So cover this all the informations. Cover all this answer of these questions. Who, where, when, why, and how. These 5 questions answer you from the sentences. Okay. This is the body of the notice. Then come to that final stage, final part of that ones. That is a signature. Your signatures. That signature also mentioned in these questions. Okay. That names only you mention it. And then your post, your positions, your designations. That designation also mentioned in your the question itself. So you have to clear the format and then the information, body of the notice. That you clear, then you surely score that 4 out of 4. 4 out of 4 in this exams. So let's come. I will explain with the example of the one questions. See this question. आप केंद्रीय विद्यालय जलवायु विहार दिल्ली की